How to invest in ETFs for long term wealth. Investing in ETF is one of the best way to build long term wealth. Exchange trade fund or ETFs allow you to invest in a diverse portfolio of stocks, bonds or other assets without having to pick individual investment. Many successful investors such use ETFs to grow their money steadily over time. In this video, I will explain what ETFs are, how they work, and the best strategy to invest in them for long-term financial success. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to use ETF to build wealth without taking unnecessary risk. What are ETF? ETF or exchange trade funds are investment funds that hold a collection of assets like stocks, bonds, or commodities. They trade on the stock market like individual stocks, making them easy to buy and sell. Unlike mutual funds, which only trade at the end of the day, ETFs can be traded throughout the day at market price. This makes them a flexible and convenient option for investment or investor. Why invest in ETF? ETF offers several advantages. First is diversification. Instead of buying individual stocks, an ETF lets you invest in multiple companies at once, reduce risk. Second is low cost. Many ETFs have lower fee compared to mutual funds, which means more of your money stay invested. And third is passive investing. ETFs are ideal for long-term investors who want to hands-off approach to building wealth. ETFs track different type of assets such as a stock market indices like the S&P 500 and bonds for steady incomes. Real estate investment trust, commodity like gold or oil, industry specific sectors like technology or healthcare. How to start investing in ETFs? Getting started with ETF investing is simple. First, you need a brokerage account. Popular platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, Chargeless, Web, and Robinhood offer commission-free ETF trading. Once you have an account, the next step is choosing the right ETF based on your financial goal. Best ETF strategy for long-term wealth. There are several ETF strategies that can help you grow your wealth over time. First is index fund ETFs. These, these track major stock indices like the S&P 500, Nasdaq, or Dow Jones. They offer consistent long term growth. Examples include SPY, and triple Qs. Second is dividend ETF. These focus on companies that pay regular dividends. Examples include YVM, SCHD, and DGRO. And third is growth ETFs. These invest in high growth sectors like technology. Example include ARKK and triple Q. And fourth is bond ETF. These provide a stability and income. Example include BND and AGG. And fifth is international ETF. These help diversify your portfolio globally. Example include VXUS and VEA. How much should you invest in ETF? Your investment amount depends on your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you are just starting, you can invest a small amounts and increase over time. Many ETFs have low minimum investment, making them accessible to everyone. A simple strategy is to invest a fixed amount every month, known as dollar cost averaging. These help reduce risk by buying ETFs at different market price over time. How to hold ETF for maximum returns? To maximum returns, ETFs should be held for the long term. Over time, the stock market tends to increase in value, meaning your ETF will go as well. Reinvesting dividends can also accelerate your wealth. Many brokerage accounts allow you to automatically reinvest dividends, compounding your returns over time. Common mistakes to avoid when investing in ETF. First is investing without a plan. Always have a clear goal before buying ETF. Second is buying high and selling low. Avoid panic selling during market dips. ETFs are designed for long term growth. Third is not diversifying. Investing in only one topic of ETFs can increase risk. A mix of a stock, bond, and other asset is best. And fourth is ignoring fees. Some ETF have higher fee. Always check the expenses ratio before investing. ETF are one of the best investment tools for long-term wealth. They offer diversification, low cost, and a steady growth. If you are serious about building wealth, start investing in ETFs today. Choose the right ETFs, invest consistently, and hold them for the long term. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial tips. ETF is and how you plan to invest in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more financial tips. Let me know in the comment what your favorite ETF is and how you plan to invest in 2025.